the Supreme Court analyzed whether this conviction was an unconstitutional infringement of Johnson's protected free speech rights. First, it determined that the burning of a flag is, in fact, expression. It is a form of speech, even if it is not spoken. The act must display an intent to convey a particularized message, and there must be a high likelihood that the message would be understood by those who viewed it. Given the context of the protest, the culmination of chants, marching, die-ins, and clearly articulated political opinions, the burning of the flag in that context clearly was meant to convey a message. And the use of the flag itself was, as the court said, pregnant with expressive content. Quote, symbolism is a primitive but effective way of communicating ideas. The use of an emblem or flag to symbolize some system, idea, institution, or personality is a shortcut from mind to mind. Causes and nations, political parties, lodges, and ecclesiastical groups seek to knit the loyalty of their followings to a flag or banner, a color or design. Because of this, quote, the expressive, overtly political nature of this conduct was both intentional and overwhelmingly apparent. Okay, so he intended to communicate something in a particular context in a way that was easily understandable to all who witnessed it. This is expression. Therefore, the First Amendment is implicated. However, that doesn't mean it's automatically protected under the First Amendment. There are plenty of things that are not protected under the First Amendment. Defamatory statements, obscenity, threats, incitement of violence, and riots. None of that is protected by the First Amendment, even if it counts as speech. So the central question to determine whether a law violates the First Amendment is whether the governmental interest furthered by said law is unrelated to the suppression of free speech. So they didn't pass the law to suppress free speech. It serves a purpose disconnected from the expression. Texas argued that its prohibition on flag burning was meant to prevent breaching of the peace. Again, they already have a separate statute for that. Texas admitted that no breach of the peace occurred or was even threatened due to Johnson's flag burning.